Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Daily Scope. What if I told you that June 16th could change how we see the universe? Forever? Saturn, the majestic ringed giant, will fall under the eerie shadow of its largest moon, a cosmic eclipse only visible to those who dare to look. And while you're distracted by its beauty, a silent war is unfolding above your head. Two titans, Amazon and SpaceX, are launching rival satellite constellations just hours apart. Billions of dollars, thousands of satellites, one winner, one planet, and that's not all. As darkness settles on Earth, the red planet Mars creeps closer to a bright blue star, forming a rare cosmic alignment. Some call it a coincidence. Others think it's a message. Meanwhile, Earth AS orbiting labs, the ISS, and China's Tiangong, are racing against time to solve hidden problems no one is talking about. This is all happening today. And yet, the mainstream media is silent. Why? What are they not telling you? Because space isn't just beautiful. It's powerful, it's dangerous, and right now, it's alive. Keep watching. The truth is more epic than you imagined. Let us start with the most haunting event of them all, Titan's shadow crossing Saturn. On the morning of June 16th, Saturn will experience a dramatic phenomenon. Its largest moon, Titan, a world larger than Mercury, shrouded in a thick orange atmosphere, will cast its shadow directly across Saturn's stunning rings. If you have a telescope or even a decent live stream feed, you'll witness something that's almost cinematic in nature, a deep, moving black spot slicing through golden rings suspended in the void. This shadow transit isn't just a pretty show. For astronomers, it's a rare opportunity to measure Saturn's ring density, gravitational fluctuations, and even Titan's precise orbit. These observations help scientists refine their models of the solar system, and may even hint at secrets beneath Titan's mysterious, icy surface. Titan, by the way, is a world believed to have oceans of liquid methane. NASA is planning to send a drone mission there in the next few years. But what they'll find? No one knows. This shadow passing might be the beginning of revelations we aren't ready for. Now, let's talk about the tech war heating up just above your head. In what some are calling the start of a new space internet arms race, both Amazon and SpaceX are launching batches of satellites on June 16th, just hours apart. First up, United Launch Alliance is sending an Atlas V551 rocket into orbit, carrying 27 satellites for Amazon's Project Kuiper. This is the second major Kuiper deployment, part of Jeff Bezos's vision to rival Elon Musk's Starlink. With these satellites, Amazon plans to provide global internet coverage, especially to underserved regions. But here, as what you were not being told. Kuiper's satellites are using an experimental laser-based communication system, and some experts believe they could interfere with Earth-based telescopes. Then comes SpaceX, striking back with its 15-9 Starlink group, launched via Falcon 9 from California's Vandenberg base. Starlink is already operational, with over 6,000 satellites in orbit. But this launch, it's special. It is part of a batch that includes next-generation sensors, some rumored to support military surveillance and defense partnerships. So, in one single day, the skies will gain over 40 new satellites, all vying for position in Earth's already crowded low orbit. The implications are staggering. Is Earth's orbit becoming the next battlefield? Some scientists worry that with so many satellites, we risk a Kessler syndrome scenario, a cascade of collisions that could trap us in a cloud of deadly debris. But there's more. While the corporations race to dominate the skies, something quieter, yet no less significant, is happening aboard the International Space Station and China's Tiangong station. NASA has confirmed that ISS crew members are conducting an urgent investigation into a slow but persistent pressure leak. This issue, which began subtly weeks ago, has now become serious enough to demand the astronauts' full attention. They're searching for microscopic cracks using advanced ultrasonic tools. A similar leak in the past was traced to a tiny puncture from space debris. Could this be another sign of our increasingly hostile orbital environment? Meanwhile, over China's Tiangong space station, taikonauts are rehearsing emergency drills for upcoming extravehicular activity. Reports suggest they also conducting a series of biological experiments, specifically focused on human adaptability to prolonged weightlessness and solar radiation. The goal? To prepare for longer missions to the Moon and Mars. But some sources whisper that these drills are more than training. They simulations for a possible long-duration lunar base, which leads us to the sky above Earth. On the evening of June 16th, just after sunset, a beautiful and rare cosmic dance will unfold. Mars, the red planet, long associated with war, mystery, and exploration, will align closely with Regulus, the heart of the Leo constellation. Regulus is one of the brightest stars in our night sky. Its name literally means the Little King. The visual pairing of Mars and Regulus isn't just poetic. Ancient astronomers believed such alignments were omens, signs of change, revolution, or power struggles. And today, in a world filled with political tension and technological conflict, the symbolism is hard to ignore. Adding to the beauty of this night is the butterfly cluster, a stunning open cluster of young stars. It will be visible near Scorpius in the southern sky. These stars are just 100 million years old, infants in cosmic terms. Watching them is like peering into the past, seeing the birth of a new stellar neighborhood. But what if all these events aren't just coincidences? What if they're signs of a deeper pattern, a shift in our cosmic timeline? Some theorists believe that solar system alignments can affect gravitational resonance, subtly impacting Earth's atmosphere and even human behavior. While mainstream science largely disagrees, the correlation between solar activity, geomagnetic storms, and human psychology is still a topic of active research. And here's something even more curious. Solar observatories have picked up unusual activity near the Sun's surface. A minor coronal hole opened on June 14th, releasing a stream of solar wind expected to reach Earth around, you guessed it, June 16th. It's not a major geomagnetic storm, but the timing adds another layer to this already incredible day. Could all of this, the shadow, the launches, the star alignments, the solar wind, be part of a cosmic cycle we've barely begun to understand? One thing is certain. We are living in a time when space is no longer distant or passive. It's active, competitive, alive. June 16th will come and go. Most people will scroll past it, unaware of what just happened above their heads. But not you. You now know that Titan's haunting shadow marked a cosmic moment, that two of the world's richest men launched digital empires into orbit, that Mars whispered to the stars, and Earth's space stations faced quiet emergencies. You know that June 16th wasn't just another date. It was a turning point. So the real question is, if this is what one day in space looks like, what's coming next? What will happen when these satellites collide, or when Titan's icy oceans are finally explored? What secrets are we unlocking? And what dangers are we unleashing? Subscribe to the Daily Scope for daily discoveries and space secrets no one else is telling you. And tell us in the comments, what do you think is really going on up there? Because the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning.